Today we're in Grant County at Gies Farms talking with Dale Gies about his unique soil practices and Harold Crouse about the Washington State Soil Health Committee.
The Washington State Soil Health Committee was basically formed in around 2015 to basically create an organization that could educate and help promote soil health in the state of Washington.
So what makes a soil a good soil?
Good soil is structure, texture, depth. There's a whole ecosystem and community below the soil that's important as well. And that's what the Soil Health Committee is really about, is how do we manage both what's happening above the surface and below the surface.
It's not just dirt.
It's not just dirt. Soil's important. Soil's important to every one of our citizens, and it's a finite resource, and we need to protect it.
And farmer Dale Gies is protecting his soil in a unique way by using mustard crops as biofumigant green manure.
We can work this in and replace a lot of, reduce our pesticide use. Any fertilizer that's in this is recycled. So we do this with growers, innovative growers around the world. So it goes into high value crops typically.
Soil has worked very hard when it comes to growing these food crops. So Dale has been biofumigating for over 20 years to help rebuild them. But it's no simple task. There's a lot of chemistry that goes into this process.
When you go to the restaurant and you dip the egg roll into the little sauce of mustard, and about 20 seconds later your sinuses start searing.
Yeah.
Well, the moisture in your mouth just activated the same chemistry that's in these leaves. And you have to macerate these leaves, and you can see they're all water soaked looking, just like you squeezed them. That allows those to come together quickly, and they're actually, where we've worked this in, is releasing this gas just like the moisture in your mouth does to mustard at the restaurant.
Right. Next, Dale's sons will show us how to macerate and incorporate these leaves into the soil.
Mike's in the red tractor, and so he's running the flail chopper, which is what macerates this, and then Joe's running the disking tractor, and so it's going to bury this. And you need to have them close together, because if you leave this on the surface, there's enough moisture that it'll volatilize off.
It's just like mowing your lawn, really.
Kind of. It was difficult for people to realize that something green like this could be as effective in suppressing diseases and nematodes as synthetic chemistry. Conservation Commission, soil health people help document that this is a seriously good deal.
So it's because of the Soil Health Committee and farmers like Dale that Washington soil will continue to be healthy and fertile for generations to come.